You're welcome again to Miss Crafty. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this shoe. It's not to make it, actually just to coat it, because this shoe, I've shown you how to fix it before. This shoe is actually a very good one. It's very strong. The sole is perfect, but the skin, it's genuine leather, but something happened. I left it in the office some time ago. That was last year when I was still running my 9 to 5 job, and roaches destroyed the skin. So right now I changed the skin and used this to craftily make it better. So please tag along and see how I did it. In case you're just joining us, you're watching Miss Crafty, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you like what you see, because we really post a lot of very interesting craft work which will be handy for you in your daily life. Alright, enjoy the video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe my channel. See you in my next video. Bye for now.